Hi guys, Nikki's here. Good morning. Today it is snowing. We're snowed in today, so all my classes are canceled. I just took a shower. I'm going to put some makeup on, and I am going to make some food later, which I think I'm gonna record for you guys. But let me show you the snow. Excuse this mess. This one. It's still snowing. I'm going to dry my hair, blow dry it, and then I'm going to put on my makeup, and I think I will still try to go out to the store to get some more groceries to make food because I'm running out of that pork dish. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. My makeup is on. I didn't put anything on my lips. I'm kind of pale, but it's okay. And I decided to wear my Disney hat just because it's cold and, you know, not as fun today. So we're stuck inside the house because it's snowing. So I just feel like this brings back memories from Disney. But I'm gonna put it this way because it's just getting hair out of my face as well. So right now I am making some rice. Oh, let me show you something. What I usually do, I save some of this rice water. It has a lot of nutrients and vitamins, so I'm gonna use this to water my plants. I have this bamboo, and then I have these two plants as well. And it's still snowing outside. Okay, so rice is in. Close this. Turn this on. Plug it in. In about 20 minutes and it will be done. And I wanted to show you guys something. I bought this tool. This is very exciting. Oh, it's heavy. So focus. It is a spiralizer, and you can pretty much turn any vegetable, cucumber, zucchini, potato, sweet potato, anything into noodles. How exciting is that? And it's going to be so healthy instead of eating pasta. So here you can see, I haven't opened this yet, but you can pretty much turn any vegetable, even making onion rings. Ooh, awesome. And there's different kind of noodles, so like the thin one, and then there's like a thicker one, and this is more like a curly fry, and two more types. It's like the last one is like really thin. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay guys, so let's look into this. I just opened it out of the box, and I have the main part here, which is a spiralizer, and it has this handle. So pretty much what you do is you're going to have say like a cucumber here, and then you're gonna try to stick the cucumber into those spikes, and then once it is attached, you are just going to just turn this wheel slowly, and this is where the blades are being inserted. So there's 5 blades that comes with this, and you can see here, I have like no space on the table. This is exactly how it looks like, and there's 5 blades for different shape and size of the noodles that you want to make. So you can make like the really curly small one, or the flat larger one, and then these are just different sizes, but they're all like curly, and looks very good actually. I think I like them. Makes vegetable more fun, and usually like this is kids friendly because like when you make it looks fun, like kids love to eat it more. So the rest of the part are just the blades. Oh, it came with this container so that you can just like spiralize it and then put it in this container, put in the fridge. So here's the blades. There's this flat one, and that one makes this flat and large noodles. And then there's two of them in here. I can't seem to like get them out of this package, but there's just like different sizes for the noodles, and this is like really cool thing. So I was trying to find the other two and I couldn't find it, and found out, duh, they have a space for them here inside the spiralizer. So there's just like two more spiralizer with different sizes of the blades. This is like a really tiny one. See how tiny? And I think this one makes that very curly, small curly one. Okay, so I think, okay, so that's it for the unboxing, and I am going to wash my vegetable and then come back later to spiralize some of them. I got a couple of carrots, 1 cucumber, an eggplant, and then 3 zucchini, which I'm very excited about to like eat for tonight. And yeah, I guess hope you guys like this, and maybe if it's easy to operate, you guys should get one. It was really cheap. It was almost $20 on Amazon. So I'll let you know how it goes, how easy it is to use, and I would let you know if you should get it too, because I mean, it's awesome to make like pasta out of vegetable. It's just a fun way to eat and eat healthier food. So yeah, we're going out to get groceries. Testing this camera out for the first time.
No credit check required. Call transfer. Wilson Assistance and car rental. Just visit getprotected.com to get your free quote. For a limited time, you may receive $100 cashback. That's right, $400 in cashback on select plans. Use promo code IHEART and receive up to $400 cashback. Visit getprotected.com now for your free quote today. While you're waiting.
Say hi.
Late March, make sure your viewers know that.
This is late March. March 21st. And it's still snowing, like what the hell? Supermarket before this and got like the things that an American supermarket wouldn't have, so like the soy sauce, what else, pork belly, but there's no pork belly that I wanted because it's too much fat, so I just ended up getting something else. I'll show you later, but I need eggs. Should we get the less sodium or just the original one? Where's the original one? There. I'm just gonna go with the original one. So I was looking for Hubert and finally I found him. Getting coffee?
Yeah, I mean, I figured I'd just make myself a coffee.
I got spam and eggs and I just don't have a free hand anymore. Where's your basket? Ooh, chips. So we got chips. Oh cool, you got a card. Oh, these are so good. I'm addicted to these. Like, I will kill them in no time. We are getting some more vegetables. There's so much beer here, but I don't drink, so bye-bye. Oh, I love this. This area where there's just like tons of flowers. So pretty. Such a happy thing to look at when it's snowing outside and it's super sad. My mom, she loves like colorful flowers. Like, oh, these are so cool. Are these real? How did they get them blue? Anyway, oh, look at these balloons. You got it? So Hubert thinks...
Nikki has always told me that these are a tremendous bargain. Very convenient as well. And, so I try to always get her these pre-cut fruits. I usually think that you should get the fruit
Stay
itself.
away from these.
Nikki insists that.
They're like so expensive. Like if you buy a whole watermelon for like $5, you can make 3 times the amount and the quality is much better. Like see, a lot of them is already kind of like going bad already, so don't buy them. Oh yeah, a lot of you guys ask me what kind of milk I drink. So usually I would drink almond milk, a different brand. I've never tried this rice drink, but I guess it's just like a beverage made out of rice. But usually I drink almond milk, coconut milk. Here, almond, where is it? Over there. Coconut milk or soy milk, which is like the regular soy milk. Okay.